Okay, moving on. We already calculated the profit after the tax, and now we'd like to calculate the profit margin as profit after tax over revenue. So in this case, we need to divide the profit after tax by revenue to see in percentage how much is it our margin. Okay, so we have to do in 2 steps here. So profit margin after tax. All right, so profit again, margin, all right, is an empty list. Okay, and again we will loop through the profit list. All right, so for I in range, very same approach that we did before. Profit. So this time we will append in profit margin, and we will append what's the calculation of profit after tax indexed by I divided by revenue indexed by I. Okay, so let's have a look at the intermediate step here. We have this number over here. It represents a percentage, so we must make the numbers multiplied by 100. So I use the same vector here, the same array here, again, same list here to round and multiply by 100 to the percentage to be very clear. For I in profit margin, more concise way to write a for loop, but you can do both ways. Okay. Oh, I forgot to print it. All right, much more clear to see in this way. So this month the revenue profit margin after deducting the expenses and the taxes was 12%. Okay, and there are some months that are negative. All right, we already knew that. Okay, so now we have to discover what is the mean of this period. So this 12 months, we need to sum up all the values and divide it by the quantity. Right, this is the more basic way to calculate the mean. We have plenty of other options, but it's more advanced, and here we stick to the more traditional approach. Okay, so we must see mean profit after tax, and name it PAT here. So let's call it profit after tax mean. is equal to the sum of this list, profit after tax divided by the length of profit after tax. Okay, let's see. Oh, again, forgot to print it. Mean that. All right, single number. Remember, this we are using the original scale and not the percentages. All right. Okay, so now we must realize which are the good and the bad months. Okay, so same thing here. We'll create a good months, and this is equal to a empty list. Okay, and for I in range 0 to land profit, same structure of our for loop. We'll append in good months, dot append the profit after tax indexed by y, and we'll put the result of unlogical operation here. Okay, so we are comparing the mean with each single month. Okay, and in the end we just want to print it out. The result of this will be a list of Boolean values, because we have these logical operators. So the two options here is or the mean is above the month, the month is above the mean, so we have the true, or is the opposite and we have the false. So this is a list of booleans. Okay, all right. So we must do exactly the opposite to realize which are the bad months, and just to replace in all our code. Oh, okay. So it should be the something is wrong here. Of course, just to invert the sign. Okay, so we must have exactly the opposite of the first vector. So January is true, is a good month, and not is a bad month. And the same thing here. February it is a bad month, and so is it here. And if you check, will match the exactly complement of the other. Okay, so now we have 2 more assignments before we end it. Let's see. We have to say which one was the best month and which one was the worst month. Okay, so best month. We will have just one month, just one best month, but to maintain the compatibility with our previous code, we do use the same approach. So for again y in range 0 to land profit at this time. This is almost natural to write best month is equal to same thing, we'll append. Okay, it's not an assignment, it's append the profit after tax indexed by y equals, again, this is an assignment, or this is a two equals, is a comparison, and in this case this logical operation has two possibilities, just true or false, no other options here. Profit after, actually this is wrong, right? It's the best month, not the worst one. So we look for the best month, and when the best month is equal to our value, we will assign true, otherwise it will be false. Okay, so this vector has just one true, it's December. Okay, let's check, is it true? Oh, the margin is right, more tax is clearly the best month. Okay, all right, same approach to the worst month. Okay, so worst month, this time we use the mean. Again, we can have just one, it will be March. Okay, we have pretty bad months after the summer, right? Sorry, after the winter. Yeah, all right. So now we have to calculate, convert the unities for $1,000, right? Do it once here, just making the precisions into positions and printing all the results. Okay, so here it is, all the calculations that we made. Revenue, expenses, profit after taxes, profit margin, good months, bad months, best month, and worst month. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you next time.